DJT Stock, is it the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Trump media stock analysis. And first things first is that I was waiting for a double break that I was talking about. The price just keeps going down, but that does not mean that big of a deal. Like, honestly speaking, this is still literally at the same exact level, which I would love to see a movement up, movement down, and movement up again. And only if I see this happen, only then I'm doubling it down on the remaining of the, you know, this is the black line where I take the trade. The red is what needs to happen before I do that. So this is the confirmation part, obviously. Now this obviously might never even happen. This is a very optimistic idea, but that's just the idea. Of course, we have a break even on set the moment the price starts shifting just a little bit higher. So that's why it's worked for me, and I've documented it. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the first link in the description. All reviews 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one.